Here are the top 3 ways of extending your vocal range. Number 1. Shh, don't be so loud. We can sing quieter and we can sing higher. It's not a problem once you have the right technique. So, if you want to sing high notes, you don't have to shout, you don't have to yell. Instead, you need to learn how to do it correctly. I'm not being loud, but I am keeping the voice firm and strong without raising the volume. So keep your volume even. Figure out the way in which you can go into your high notes without yelling. Number 2, close your vocal cords. We need vocal cord closure when we go higher in order to be in full voice. So in other words, so that our voices don't break as you go higher. You don't want that. What you want instead is you don't want your voice to break. So you need to learn how to close your vocal cords. How do we do that? We use vocal fry and we use staccato vocal exercises. So, vocal fry. Vocal fry is this sound. This really low kind of growly type of sound. You have to go below your chest voice to find it. That's where it sits. So, you take that vocal fry, you bring it higher, and then you use staccato. So, vocal fry. Try it. Check it out. Number 3, use your breath support. Your breath support is your superpower. You need to be able to use it efficiently and well. You need your breath support to become your friend rather than being your foe. How do you do that? You monitor yourself. You monitor yourself for any kind of wrongdoings that you might be doing and you might not even realize it. So, if anybody told you that your belly muscles need to tense up so that's good breath support, that's not true. In fact, the opposite is true. You want to monitor yourself, you want to actually monitor your belly so that it doesn't get tense. It shouldn't get tense when you sing. It's not a good sign. And it's not good vocal technique. What is good vocal technique and what is good breath support is when you can give yourself just enough air to make the sound, but not too much. You don't want to be too loud. You don't want to be blowing too much air. You want to be just to the point. So learn to keep the breath inside of you and exhale only the right amount that you need for the note. And the higher you go, you want to exhale less. You need less air the higher you go. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.